So we're here at the big show.
We are here at the Home Designer Remodeling Show.
Yes.
The one, the only Ty Pennington.
Thanks for having me.
It's amazing. We've been watching you on TV for decades.
Wow, I forgot. I have been on TV for decades.
It's amazing. But the thing is, you continue to inspire. You inspire people for the stories. You inspire people to get into the business. You inspire people in so many different ways to take on these projects.
Well, I appreciate that. Hopefully I inspire the next generation.
Absolutely.
Because that's also important, because we need all these new skill trades to be the designers and the builders of the future. Here we are under one big roof with all the new technology in home products, and I just love this stuff. What you see here is literally wasn't here last year. There's new technology, there's new products, and it's always changing. Not just trends, but literally the products that make your house safer, more energy efficient, and also more long lasting are all under this roof. So.
Absolutely. This is literally the house of inspiration. You've been to endless amounts of shows throughout your career and expos and things like that. What's your favorite thing when you're walking through and finding different things?
I just like to be wowed. I like to be I didn't realize, even this. Who knew that you could get a light show with a gazebo?
Absolutely, without a doubt. In the louvered pergola systems, we're seeing that more and more.
Which closes up and actually gives you a drive.
Absolutely.
But then opens up to let the heat out.
So Belamo, they've been actually since they opened their business in 2018. 2018, they've been in every single one of our shows, but this line that they're showing at the show is the first time anyone's seen it. It's not even in stores yet, right?
There are umbrellas and then there are umbrellas.
And it goes 360.
Yeah, just as a breakers.
Wow.
So it turns to 360.
Wow. That's impressive.
It's like us.
Wow. I love it. I love that you're
easy
it
peasy.
turns 360.
And it tilts and everything.
Wow. That's incredible. So I'm sure this is basically as strong as a mast on a boat, right? Basically, yeah. Wow. Lovely. And Perfecto Blanco too, man. So perfect down here. And this.
Absolutely.
I'm sorry, but this is amazing. This. I need to get this for my dogs.
This is our designer show house where we have different designers are bringing inspiration to life.
Wow, this is amazing. I want the whole set.
So they do the stretch ceiling here with the integrated light system.
Wow. This is impressive.
Yeah.
Hey, what's happening?
How are you?
This is
I'm
Perla.
good.
Nice hat.
Yeah, you too.
How are you?
I love it. It's like an Alice in Wonderland trip here. It's
There you go, at
fantastic.
least.
Yeah.
At least. It's Perla in Wonderland.
I love it.
We're not ever going to be bored.
No.
This is Camila. I want to introduce you.
Hello, Camila.
I was dying to meet you. I will
pleasure.
tell you why. That's a funny story. When I moved to US, I barely speak English, and my go-to was to watching Trading Spaces.
Oh, wow.
And I said, that's what I want to do. To swap in the houses, and you were the carpenter at the time, so.
Oh, that's awesome.
So that's what I was telling before.
Yeah.
You inspired her to get into this business.
Really? Wow, that's awesome. That show is so much fun. We made some good and bad ideas come to life.
Did a little better than the hay on the wall.
Yeah.
There you go.
This is Katarina.
Hey,
She's
Katarina.
been a designer with us for a number of
Hi.
times in her family.
You too.
Katerina, my pleasure. How are you?
I love it. Something has a warm feel. Very nice. Very
Yes,
nice.
that's the whole point.
It's cozy.
Yes, it is. Can we take a picture?
Yes, of course. Yeah.
This is something really cool. You want to see something cool? So you tap that.
Yeah. Well,
Now watch.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's
But if you go
insane.
like this.
Yeah. Wow, that's awesome.
Is that cool?
Yeah. So it becomes, that's insane.
Is that cool?
Wow.
That's a Brazilian artist, right?
Yeah.
That does that? Yeah. So
it's Pinocchio with a hot dog nose that actually smokes.
right, exactly. Exactly.
I love the fact that this is solid steel. That's insane. Wow.
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
it's
that's sturdy.
It's indestructible. It's Larry. This goes up to how? What's the wind load? 200 250 miles, yeah.
It's like a true erector set.
Oh yeah,
I mean,
for sure. And everything it's all pre-cut and everything. So for all the plumbing, wiring, everything.
Right.
And then the foam is reverse engineered where you spray concrete on the entire home. They focus on wellness.
I love your product. It's like
Thank you. Thank you.
good looking finishes.
Thank you. You can build your own system in this way. All
Here you
be-
can have your own spa basically in your shower. This doesn't do steam as well, does it?
Not yet, but
Yeah, but I bet you will next year.
eh,
Oh wow, that's cool.
it's a 10 outlets.
Yeah.
It's a 10 outlets to be finished in November. For
Got
the
it.
gentlemen and ladies, they share.
Yeah,
they
yeah.
share Up to 6 people in the same store area. And also you have the
Right.
6 people in the same shower. That is my kind of house.
And everybody can have a different feature.
But you customize it for whoever's taking the shower, right?
yeah, and also have the speaker integrate,
Yeah.
music, light,
Love it.
and the water, therapy. So that's how we do.
So with music, you can just immediately start doing karaoke. It's like,
Sing a song,
yeah.
You can do the broadcasting for HGTV
Is it-
during your song.
Rain, November rain. Yeah. I love it. In all the homes that are being built, and whether it's a TV show I'm doing or a project I'm doing for my own,
Right.
like the wellness, like what used to be just a bathroom,
Right.
is now turned into a spa.
Oh, it's
you
incredible.
want your home
It's-
spa.
It's incredible.
And it's funny because if you're going to spend the kind of money that it costs to renovate a bathroom,
Right.
you've got to have a feature in there. They're like, oh my god, whether it's infrared, sauna,
absolutely.
or it's steam or any of that, like everyone's
We're
going
seeing
through
more
that.
and more saunas being put into bathrooms, and
Well,
I mean,
the Nords, the Swedes, they
yeah,
seem to
I know, right?
seem to look good.
You're right,
Something's
they do.
going on there.
Without a doubt, they know what
Yeah.
they're doing. But I mean, this artist
Wow.
is something like she's incredible.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's amazing, and like when you were talking about all of like the stone finishes and things like that, the way that she does art, she basically works with stone. This is the artist, Carla. She's the artist, and
Hi,
it just
Carla.
always just comes to mind for her.
Pleasure. Beautiful stuff. Thank you. Yeah. Very nice. I love it. I love it. I love the
Absolutely.
texture.
No, it's amazing what she does.
Wow. So you could have that like. Wow.
Yeah.
Very textural. If you can make, whether it's a door handle or a light switch,
Right.
and you can give it that high-end finish, and you can make it affordable, you're going to do very well. Like this is brand new, but it can make it seem like it's like from the 40s.
Right.
Like it's pretty amazing.
And it's a lot cooler. Like I mean, these
Yeah.
are beautiful finishes, but being able to integrate something different into.
But I
your
think
own.
that's what's happening in design too. Like I could be wrong, but check this out. Like with designs of cars,
Right.
because like everything has become a digital touch.
Right.
We're missing. We love turning the knobs.
Absolutely.
And so like, and by the way, while you're driving, like trying to hit like
Right.
this, like just give me a knob.
Right.
With everything that's going into your home now, it can still work with smart home systems
Absolutely.
too. And like the fact that they can make it look cool and vintage and old, but still work in a modern world.
Right. That's amazing.
That's the trick.
Yeah. So where do you place interior doors in your design process?
So interior, believe it or not, I'm dealing with that right now in the project
Are you?
too. And I was like, hun, couldn't we just like custom make it ourselves? She's like, no.
Why do I do that?
She's like, why do you have to make it like, what if it doesn't turn out as nice as you want? So, oh my
How about
God.
a hand stitched door?
Wow.
They call this the Birkin door.
Oh my God. The Birkin door.
Because you can
Wow.
select the leather, you can select the stitching, you can select everything that goes into
That
this, all the
is-
finishes.
Not to show the door to his wife because he says she wants a Birkin
Oh, yeah.
bag, now she will want a Birkin door.
That is so plush. That is impressive. I should not let anybody I work with see this. Wow, so literally like you choose your leather, you choose your stitching, the Birkin door. Wow. I love
yeah.
fluted glass.
Yeah.
So nice. Oh wow. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's a rotary.
But it's amazing because if you're tight on space,
Yeah.
just the opening mechanisms, it goes beyond the finishes. It's how things open.
That's genius, so that you don't necessarily have to put a pocket door in. So
And you open it this way as well.
It goes
Yeah.
both ways, yeah.
but that way you're only taking up that much space inside the room. It's not like a giant door, it's
Right.
just standing there. Wow, that's great. I mean,
Open that door.
oh, wow.
So rather than a bifold,
Yeah. And so that can go right into a room. Wow, I like this too. Okay. See these damn home shows.
I know, right?
Just the fact that you can get a full door and it just minimizes the space. It's genius. The outdoor kitchen is everything to everyone.
Especially here in South Florida, when COVID hit, everyone was looking for more livable square footage.
Yeah.
Outdoor kitchens, it's always been a thing.
But you guys installed this or just the equipment? Because
oh, they build full kitchens.
All right, because I got a house that I did cypress like on the ceiling and wrapped it, but I was trying to do, but you don't see a lot that you can get a full. Is that teak? Is that what you wrapped it in?
So this is kumaru, similar to teak.
Okay, is that like?
Yes, we have dressed up terraces, cladding, sidings.
Yeah, because that looks a lot like cypress, and that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Love that orange wood. It's funny how but the DIY shows, right? That got everybody interested in renovating, but then the cooking shows have made everybody a home chef. So it's crazy, but these shows that I've been part of has helped the industry because people are like, I want to cook more outside.
Absolutely.
So it's fantastic.
You were talking about these antique type of products. I mean, this company, they're from Colombia.
Oh, yes.
But it's all concrete tiles, hand-painted tiles. So.
Hola, ¿cómo está? Ah, beautiful. Oh, wow, look how beautiful this is. That's great. I love that you guys are making all of this out of concrete. So you really can make custom tiles.
Yes.
And if you have like a color theme that's like this, you could change all of that to that color theme.
Whatever, we can also do logos.
Okay.
For the tiles, everything. It's all handmade.
I love it. So this is all on wheels. This can all be moved.
Absolutely.
Oh, wow.
Absolutely.
So it's
and
literally.
that's the beauty. Anything dies back there, you can just move it, clean it, and put it back.
Right.
I like her. That's great. Wow.
Yeah. So on Rock the Block, when they don't have time to build a kitchen.
Yeah. This is what you. This is what you
right.
want. Like
Half an hour, you're cooking.
Right.
Yeah. I mean, that's seriously genius.
Right.
You're like, well, we don't have to do anything. We just,
Exactly.
No.
Wow.
It's furniture, so no permits required.
wow.
Yeah.
I may have to save them back pocket. Be like, you got to call these guys
Right?
now.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you. So this, it filters all your water. There's one gigantic filter.
Right.
But then it flushes itself and self-cleans.
Right.
So I don't know if I have you guys' system or something like it in my house up in Mom Coast.
Okay.
But and this is what confuses you because you're like, do I need to clean my water?
Right.
And then, but this system, why it's so amazing is it self-cleans itself. So its lifetime is pretty, how long is it?
7 to 10 years.
7 to 10 years. Oh, then I do need to replace it.
How many years have you had it?
About 10 years.
Right.
Good to hear. Yeah, looks like I'll be calling.
Right. This company, they import all their material. They actually partners with quarries
Wow.
in Brazil.
This is where Fred Flintstone works.
Right? All
guys.
from Brazil, right?
Hey, I'm good.
Yeah.
Pleasure.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Love your stone,
No,
man.
they have beautiful products.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, just stone. That's where you're at. Yeah.
So you guys use it in bathrooms, countertops, all the above.
Correct. All the above. Yeah.
You need a new mailbox?
I mean, who doesn't need a new mailbox? I mean, these are gorgeous, man. I love it.
And what he's doing, they're not focusing on mailboxes. People, when they're looking at curb appeal and just.
I love what you guys are doing. You're tying the architecture, of the house to the mailboxes.
Yeah.
Genius. It's great.
So you're inspired?
How much for the baby? I love it. Okay.
That's funny.
I'm horrible.
It's so amazing having you here. I mean, we hope that you're walking out of here inspired, finding more products, seeing innovation, and truly experiencing what the show means not only to our community, but obviously to you and the community that you work in.
I mean, this is like, what I love about coming to places like this is not only seeing the innovative ideas, but also seeing how many people, like families that have businesses that are related to home improvement.
Absolutely.
And it's, it's interesting. It's television shows like that are DIY and cooking and things like that keep us inspired to create like life in our own homes.
Right.
But it also takes the other families that have businesses here that we have to learn from and like try out these products that help sustain those dreams.
Absolutely.
So yeah, I love that we can be a part of all of it because it's all about building the future.
Right, without a doubt. And we like to say, I mean, this is where people's houses turn into homes, and like it's so important. And all these businesses, I mean, this is, you know, what helps build our community, helps these companies grow and evolve. And it's, you know, even companies like this, I mean, this company, they started our show 15 years ago, building these kitchens out of garages. Now they have a facility in Orlando, 300,000 square feet, over 60 locations. It's incredible. And seeing that firsthand and having, you know, people like yourself involved and a part of this, you know, it's all building dreams for everybody. But it's awesome having you here.
You too, man.
It's great having you back. And for all of you, stay tuned for the next shows. We produce our home design and remodeling shows in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Palm Beach. Thank you for experiencing with us, and we'll see you next time.
Booyah Shakan.